everyone, how are you? I hope you all fine and good. If you are new here, so please like and subscribe my channel Weather Info. My channel name is Weather Info and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you. So today my topic is very interesting because my topic is windy.com weather forecast. You can see their beautiful logo. They have gained 4.5 stars and 697k reviews and 36 MB to download, 3 plus rated app and 10 million plus downloads. You can install this button. Now you can see their beautiful pictures. Satellite and Doppler radar composite with vacuum relays from the big picture to the excellent level of detail. Real-time weather, stunning radar and satellite. Air quality, keep an eye on the biggest polluters. Current data from weather situations, wave, swell and tide forecast. Now we can go about this app. Windy.com is the extraordinary tool for weather forecast visualization. It's fast, intuitive, detailed and most accurate weather app trusted by professional pilots, paragliders, skydivers, kiters, surfers, boaters, fishermen, storm chasers and weaker and weather geeks, and even by government, army staff and rescue teams. Whether you are tracking a tropical storm of potential savory weather, planning a trip, your favorite outdoor sport, or you just need to know if it will rain this weekend, Windy provides you with the most up-to-date weather forecast around. The uniqueness of Windy lies in the fact that it brings you better quality information than the other weather apps. Pro features while our product is absolutely free and even without ads. Powerful, smooth and fluid presentation makes weather forecasting a real player. All forecast models at once. Windy brings you all the world's leading weather forecasting models, global ECMWF, GFC and Icon plus local NIMS, NEMS, Arom, UK, 21 weather app, 51 other app from wind, rain, temperature and pressure to swell, a cap index. With Windy you will have all convenient weather app just at your fingertips. Satellite and Doppler radar. Global satellite composite is created from NOAA and MWARI. The image frequency is 5 by 15 minutes based on area. Doppler radar covers large parts of Europe, America, Asia and Australia. Points to interest. Windy let you display observed windy and temperature forecast weather airports around the world, collection of 55,000 weather webcams and 1,500 paragliding sport light on the map. If you have liked my video, so please like and subscribe my channel Weather Info. Thank you and have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.